If you're lying in bed exhausted, but your brain will not shut off, and you've tried the teas, the apps, even the military sleep method, and it still doesn't work, stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'm not just going to explain this. I'm going to get into bed and walk you through it. I'll show you the exact technique the military uses to fall asleep fast, why clear your mind fails most humans with real stress, and how to upgrade it with essential oils so your brain actually powers down. I'm literally going to do this with you. I'm Stacy. For the past 15 years, I've helped high capacity humans calm their nervous systems and sleep better without shrinking their lives. If you're tired of being tired, this is for you. If you have lavender or a calming blend nearby, grab it. If not, you can still follow along. Step number 1, before we start, put 4 to 6 drops of lavender or a calming blend in a diffuser by your bed. If you have a roller, swipe a little on your chest or the back of your neck. That's it. We're just giving your nervous system a head start. Now, get in bed with me. Step 2, the military body relaxation. The military teaches this because when your body comes out of on guard mode, your brain follows. Close your eyes, start with your face, unclench your jaw, let your tongue go heavy, soften your eyes and forehead like your face is melting. Shoulders and arms. Drop your shoulders away from your ears, let them sink, relax your right arm completely, then your left. Chest and torso, let your breathing be effortless. Soften your ribs and belly. Hips and legs, let them sink into the mattress. Relax your right leg all the way down, then your left. Let your whole body feel heavy. You're not forcing sleep, you're signaling safety. Step 3, the traditional method says, clear your mind, think nothing. If you've ever tried that and thought, that's impossible, you're normal. When you're juggling work, kids, hormones, or just a full life, your brain doesn't obey commands like that. This method works best when your nervous system already has help calming down. That's where oils change the game. Step 4, take a slow breath and really notice the scent. Those molecules travel directly to your limbic system, the part of your brain that regulates stress and emotion. Lavender contains compounds such as linalool and linalyl acetate, shown to calm nervous system overactivity, support heart rate and blood pressure, and increase time spent in deeper sleep stages. So while you relax your body, the oil supports your brain chemistry. That's why some people say the military method doesn't work. Their brain never got enough support to stay calm. And let's be honest, most of us don't have the discipline of a military officer. Oils give your system a head start, especially when you use them consistently. Step 5, here's what I recommend for the next 7 days. About 20 to 30 minutes before bed, start your diffuser. Dim the lights, get off your phone if you can. In bed, apply a little oil to your chest or neck, do the full body relaxation. Then instead of forcing your mind blank, give it something neutral to rest on. Floating on a calm lake, rocking in a hammock, lying on a warm sandy beach. When thoughts show up, and they will, imagine placing them on a cloud or boat or letting them drift away. Then gently return to your picture and the scent. That's the practice. Step 6, if you wake up wired, don't grab your phone. Keep a roller by your bed. Apply a small amount, do a quick body scan, return to your calm picture. Let the scent be your cue that it's still nighttime. My personal backup, not medical advice, are these natural Serenity soft gels. If I'm wide awake at 2 a.m., I'll take 2 soft gels with a sip of water that's strategically already on my nightstand. And every time I've used that over the past 15 years, I've just gone right back to sleep within minutes. Crazy thing is, I don't wake up groggy. I even use these when I travel. You can use any quality herbal formula with similar ingredients plus your oils, but I'll link up what I use below if you want to research it. Step 7, if your whole system feels like it's running hot, stress, hormones, overwork, scrolling late, sleep is just one symptom. Oils in this method help, but long-term change happens when you build a system. Nutrition that supports your sleep, hormones, daily rhythms that calm your nervous system, realistic boundaries in your busy seasons. That's what my high capacity wellness blueprint addresses. What simple shifts that you can make to create an extraordinary shift in your wellness without a complete overhaul. And step number 8, for kids, keep it simpler. Diffuse 1 to 2 drops of lavender. Use a well-diluted roller on their feet or spine. Turn the relaxation into a story. Let's make your body feel heavy, like your favorite stuffed animal. First, your face, now your shoulders. You get the idea. Remember to always dilute more for younger kids. Keep oils away from eyes and mouth and ears. I'll include guidelines below. And step number 9, tonight, 1 calming oil, 1 small application, 1 body relaxation, 1 gentle picture for your mind. Give it 7 to 14 nights. You're retraining your nervous system, not flipping a switch. If this helped, tap like so more people searching for how to sleep fast can actually find what works. Subscribe for the rest of this natural protocol series. Next up is migraines and headaches. Your body hasn't forgotten how to sleep. It just needs consistent signals that it's safe.